Hey everybody, Monty Reed here with an update on brightening up your workspace. And I have decided I'm going to paint the cement in here. And so I have to use the muric acid etch. So you combine, it's very important that you get the right amounts. Follow instructions. This one says 1 pint of acid to 1 gallon of water. And it's very important that you mix it according to the directions. And so I'll be putting that on there, basically spreading it around with a plastic scrubber. It makes it clear that you should only use plastic or wood to mix, and be very careful you don't splash because it is acid, it'll burn. And it's basically going to burn the concrete or etch the concrete and make it porous so that I can put the paint on. And so I will continue to run the negative air flow system. Those fans are blowing air out, and that causes air to be sucked in and pass through. I've got the heater running over here still a bit damp in here. It's pouring down rain outside. We had 80 degrees yesterday, and it's mostly dry, but you can feel it's not quite ready to paint. And so this will give me a great opportunity to spread the muric acid, etch the concrete. It sits for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it off with a hose. You need to make sure you completely rinse it. And then we'll let it dry, and tomorrow we'll put the paint down. So there you go, is a little update on brightening up the workspace.